Kim Anderson, our crop marketing specialist, is here now. Kim, why don't we just start this week with an overview of what's happening in the markets?
Well, there's just not much happening. You look at wheat, last week we closed at $4.99 on the KC March contract. The range is $4.94 to $5.03 on the bottom side of that, and wheat prices are basically just moving sideways. Corn, same story. We closed at $3.78 last week, $3.72 to $3.88, narrow range there, sideways patterns. Soybeans is probably the only crop that it does have an uptrend. The last few week and a half or so, we have been slightly lower on prices, but on the long run, it's an upward trend. Beans closed last week at $9.10, $8.91 to $9.10 range, all narrow ranges and just not much happening.
Well, when do you think something will start happening?
Well, that's a tough question because I think it's going to depend on foreign countries. You look at soybeans, corn, you're talking about China. When are they going to come in and buy U.S. beans? You got Brazil, they're harvesting their second crop. They got weather problems down there. So the information coming from there can have a big impact. With wheat, you got Russia and Ukraine. Russia continues to find wheat to export. You got Ukraine that's in that export market. We need them to clean out their bins so that we can get some export demand. And then you've got Argentina and their corn crops. So something's going to happen. When something happens negative or positive from the import side in those other countries.
Now that's kind of the next question. When does it matter? When's that kind of crucial time in terms of strategy and planning?
Well, for most producers, it doesn't matter right now. There's nothing going on. If you've got grain in storage, wheat, corn, or cotton or something like that, of course it matters what price is doing. But you're not going to be making any wheat marketing decisions until we come out of dormancy in February to early March. The corn, bean, cotton, grain, sorghum, sesame decision is going to be made in March, April. So I think the important time periods is a month or two down the road.
Well, let's kind of think about that. What is the market offering for those 2019 crops?
Well, if you're looking right now and put a pencil to things, right now you can forward contract wheat in most of Oklahoma for around $4.75. You get to southern Oklahoma, it's around $4.50. Corn you can forward contract at $3.50, $3.99 in southern Oklahoma. Sorghum $3.45 at both north and south Oklahoma, and soybeans around $8.30 to $8.40.
Okay, well, keep us posted. Maybe something will be happening soon.
Next week.
Okay, we'll see you then. Thanks a lot, Kim.